Hey guys, Emily from PickyStory here. I just want to show you what a PickyStory combo product is, how it works, and how you can set one up with the PickyStory app. So, what is a combo product? Well, if you go to try.pickystory.com, this is our demo store. You can see all of our deals in action here. So, you can click on combo products and you can see a combo right here. So, basically, a combo product is a bundle, but you're selling it as one product in your store. So, it's displayed on its own product page, but it's made up of multiple products, and your customer just adds them to the cart with one click. The coolest thing about combos is that inventory is actually tracked for each of these individual products, not for a bundle product or, there's no fake SKU created. So it doesn't lead to any issues down the line. And if one of these products is out of stock, the entire combo can't be purchased. So you don't have to worry about selling an out of stock product. So that's basically how it works. It's a really cool feature. And it's also very easy to set up. So let's take a look at that. So we're going to go to deals and we're going to create a new deal group for our combo products. All of the combos that we create, we can add to this same deal group. So we just need to do this part once. We'll just call it combos. And then we can create our first combo here. Okay, so let's create a beauty kit. Beauty kit. When it comes to the discount, you can choose to offer no discount at all, or you can offer a percentage-based discount like 10% off, or a fixed amount discount, $15 off, or you can set a target price, which I'm going to do here, and that's just the total final price that you're selling this combo for. So let's sell this one for $50. And then we also want to display, in this case, the compare at price or the original price, so that the customer can see how much they're saving on the page. The prefix code is the prefix that's applied in the discount code at the checkout. So the customer sees this as the prefix. You can change it if you like. And if you want your customers to be able to add multiple combos to their cart at once, you can increase the quantity here. So let's add our products. If your products aren't conveniently located on the first page like this, you can search for them here as well. Okay, looks good. Save those changes. So we can see our combo here, and then to take a look at it, we just hit this little eye. And here is our new combo. So it's got the 3 separate products. It's selling for the target price of $50, which we set up, and the compare at price was originally $78. You can also see there's an image placeholder here and a sample description. So we can edit those on Shopify. So if you click on your combo, you'll see an edit on Shopify button, and this will take you to the listing that the app creates for your combo product. And then you can edit the description and add images just like you would for a regular product, and they'll be displayed on the page here. So let's take a look at how the discount works. So it should be a final price of $50. So we'll add this to the cart. In the cart, you can see all 3 of the products here. And let's check out. You can see the final price is $50 and the Picky discount is being displayed here. So that's pretty much it. It's really easy. It took maybe 2 minutes to set that up. You can make a combo of anything. They're great for gift sets. Very easy, very quick, very effective. Have fun.